Okay.
Huh?
It's good.
Yeah.
Other side.
Good, yes, I know, good.
Oh, too much. Too much also here, oh.
I can see it from here.
Too much also. Eh. Bapiring. Ah? In the middle, right? In the middle. If we can focus that, maybe the 3 cans is not enough.
Because we're not.
Yes, because we see only light paint I'm doing. But this 1 can for sure.
We're doing that. We're doing the second sheet.
This one clean, good. This one clean. No problem both side. Only this side. See? It's clear, oh, clean. Only in the middle. And other side. But not too much. Maybe there's a excess half spray. See? Middle and other side. But here is good.
We're still covering these fucking machines.
See? Center. This one, only small.
We're still covering these machines with tarps when they're doing the beat. Because we're not having any yellow paint. Going over any here.
my machine.
See, I told you.
Brad will
Kill you. Not in the kinky way either. It'd be like drawing blood. What happened to my life? Okay, drop her.
That's how to paint 700. Will mo do?
Are you gonna come up? You're gonna come up. Let's watch.
We try.
Okay guys, that's all. Subscribe and click the bell button for the latest video for our YouTube channel. Okay, that's all.